is Danish and Aniko. Today we're going to make Father's Day sock dough handprint. This is what you need: salt and flour. Add a little bit of water, combine them well, and this is what you get. Now we're going to make our handprint. Make it into a ball and flat it well. The next step, put it into your microwave and heat it for a few minutes. This is what it will look like when it's hardened. The next part is painting time! I choose this color. This is what we make. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.